So good morning to all of you MSc first year physics student. So today again welcome to lecture series in quantum mechanics subject, and we want to continue our chapter is the angular momentum. And today now we want to see the new point, that is the eigenfunctions of orbital angular momentum. In the last lecture we have see the general idea of the orbital angular momentum, and in this section we are going to work within the spherical coordinate system. And let us we want to denote the joint eigenstate of L square and Lz by Lm. Okay, so denote the joint eigenstate of, let us denote the joint eigenstates of joint eigenstates of L square and Lz by L comma m. And what is this joint eigenstates? So that we have to know that formula, that L bar cap square of L comma m, okay, which is nothing but the h cross square L into L plus 1 of L comma m. Okay, so this is the joint eigenstates of L square, and joint eigenstates of Lz cap is nothing but h cross of m of L comma m. Okay, these are the joint eigenstate. So now we want to see the operators of Lz cap, L square and L plus or minus, whose Cartesian components are listed in below. So what is the this component? So we want to see the Cartesian components of the Cartesian components, that is we have to see in the very first lecture. So first of all, first is the Lx cap. Okay, and this Lx cap, which is nothing but the y cap of pz minus z cap of py. Okay, that is nothing but the minus I h cross of y cap of dou by dou z minus z cap of dou by dou y. Again, next component of orbital angular momentum by the y component, so which is denoted by zpx minus xpz. Okay, and this can be rewrite, which is minus I h cross z cap of dou by dou x minus x cap of dou by dou z. And next, which is nothing but the Lz cap, and which is nothing but the x cap of py cap minus y cap of px. Okay, and this also can be rewrite in terms of minus I h cross x cap of dou by dou y minus y cap of dou by dou x. Okay, so this component which is expressed in terms of Cartesian system, and we want to can be expressed these terms in the spherical coordinate system. So this can be expressed in, or which is considered as, this Cartesian component can be express in terms of spherical coordinate. In terms of spherical coordinate system. Okay, so if we see here, LZ cap is what? X cap of py cap minus y cap of px is equal to minus IH cross x cap dou by dou y minus y cap dou by dou x. And if we see in the spherical coordinate system, so this is nothing but the LZ cap is equal to minus IH cross dou by dou phi. So for example, this is equation number first. So this is denoted by this LZ cap, which is only the function of the phi, which is only function of phi. Again, L square L cap square, which is denoted by minus H cross 1 H cross square 1 upon sin theta dou by dou theta sin theta dou by dou theta plus 1 upon sin square theta dou square by dou phi square. Okay, so in spherical coordinate system, this L square, which is represent in terms of, okay, it represent in terms of H cross square 1 by sin theta dou by dou theta sin theta dou by dou theta plus 1 upon sin square theta dou square by dou phi square. So again we want to express this L cap of plus or minus is nothing but Lx cap plus or minus I Ly cap. Okay, and in spherical coordinate system we want to define this Lx cap and Ly cap. So this Lx cap is nothing but the IH cross sin phi dou by dou theta plus cot theta cos phi dou by dou phi. Okay, so this is the expression in terms of spherical coordinate with orbital angular momentum of x cap component. Again we want to define the Ly cap, and this Ly cap is nothing but the IH cross minus cos of phi dou by dou theta plus cot theta sin phi dou by dou phi. Okay, so this is the Lx cap and Ly cap, and by addition or subtraction of this we want to calculate the L plus or minus this operator in terms of the spherical coordinate system. So if we addition of these two components, so directly express L plus or minus cap is nothing but plus or minus H cross e to the power plus or minus I phi. into dou by dou theta plus or minus I cos theta divided by sin theta into dou by dou phi. Okay, and you know that this cos theta divided by sin theta is nothing but the cot theta. So that is the final equation of L plus or minus cap operator in spherical coordinate system, which is nothing but the plus or minus h cross e to the power plus or minus I phi in bracket dou by dou theta plus or minus I cot theta dou by dou phi. Okay, so since we have to know that the operator Lz and L bar, which is depends only on the angle theta and phi, since the operators Lz and L bar is depends on theta and phi. Okay, and eigenstates and their eigenstates is depends on theta and phi. So we want to denoting their joint eigenstate. So denoting their joint eigenstates by, and this eigenstate, which is nothing but the ket of theta phi with relation with respect to L and M, which is nothing but the y Lm theta and phi. Okay, and where y Lm theta and phi are the continuous function, where y Lm theta and phi are the continuous function functions of theta and phi. Okay, so we can rewrite again this equation. We can rewrite the eigenvalue equations and this equation, which is nothing but the L square of Lm, which is nothing but the h cross square L comma M L into L plus 1 of L comma M, and Lz, this equation of L comma M is equal to h cross of m into L comma m. Okay, and this equation in terms of the ylm of theta phi, so this equation as follows the terms. Okay, so this equation we want to can rewrite in terms of ylm of theta and phi. So this is given L square of ylm theta and phi is equal to h cross square L into L plus 1 ylm theta and phi. Okay, so this equation can be rewrite in terms of this ylm of theta phi. Okay, and again this Lz cap, which is also rewrite in terms of ylm of theta and phi, is equal to h cross of m ylm of theta and phi. Okay, so we have to know that this Lz cap operator is only depends on phi as shown in equation, and this equation, okay, what is this? The Lz cap operator is only depends on phi as shown in equation, and which is this equation? So this equation, which is nothing but the Lz cap is equal to minus IH cross dou by dou phi. Okay, and in the previous two equation, which is suggest that given the idea that ylm or theta and phi are the separable, the previous two equations suggest that the previous two equation suggest that the eigenfunctions of ylm theta and phi are separable, okay, and this which is nothing but the ylm of theta and phi, which is nothing but the capital theta. It is the function of capital theta of lm of theta, this is small theta, and capital phi m of phi, this is small phi. Okay, so by this previous two equation, the new equation which is coming here, so this is the ylm of theta phi. Okay, this function are the separable, or this equation are separable, and this is depends on the capital theta of lm of the function of small theta and capital phi m function of the small phi, and using of this equation, so we ascertain that the L plus or minus of ylm theta and phi is equal to h cross under root of L into L plus 1 minus m into m plus or minus 1, and it is a function of y L comma m plus or minus 1 is a function of theta and phi. Okay, so this is the operator value of the L plus or minus. Okay, so up to this we have to see here that complete the point, that is the eigenfunctions of orbital angular momentum. Okay, so what is in this lecture see? So that is the your Cartesian system coordinate, okay, which is expressed in terms of spherical coordinate system. So that is the Lx operator, Ly operator and Lz operator. So that is Lx is nothing but the ypz minus zpx, okay, or sorry zpy, and similarly Ly and Lz. So this operator which can be rewrite in terms of the spherical coordinate system. So that is Lz is nothing but the minus IH cross dou by dou phi, and similarly L square operator and L plus or minus operator which is in terms of the spherical coordinate system. So this is the eigenfunctions of orbital angular momentum. Okay.